What's the mentality you need before you start cold calling?
The number one mentality that you need before you start cold calling is think about the result you want. Most people that start cold calling are like, I just need to book a meeting. I just need to pitch my product. The mentality that you need to have is, I want to get attention. I want to deliver an insight to this individual. Ideally, when I'm cold calling, I want to have a conversation with them that is helpful to them, whether they do business with me or my company or not. Stop trying to do tricks, stop trying to manipulate people, and stop trying to pitch. The main reason of a cold call is never to get a close on that first call. It happens all the time. But this idea of like, I'm going to say something clever and convince somebody to buy from me based on my cool responses is not great. The mentality is, I'm going to go out there and get some attention today. I'm going to make sure people know who I am, and I'm going to deliver insights to them that are helpful, whether they do business with me or my company or not. If you do that, you will love cold calling again. People on Easton University love to cold call, and that's why they make so much money.
What can you do to prove to people that Easton University can help them double their income in 90 days?
I'll prove it right now. Closing masterclass. I'll buy it for you. $300. Link in my bio. I will show you how to close. This will double your closing percentage. Not even 90 days. It will double it within 30 days. Now, here's the thing. Is your income going to double? Probably not, because you still need to prospect. You still need to put those deals in your pipeline. But if you click the link in my bio, you will learn how to close right here, right now, and you're going to close those deals that are already in your pipeline.